DJT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions, Wednesday. Is it a buy or a sell for me? Let's talk about it. Sitting at 23.94, 3%, 3.5 to 3.7% decrease in price. And when I'm looking at Trump Media stock, Trump Media and Technology stock, all I'm looking for is just a wasted potential, honestly. I think that I even had something here. It seems like I didn't, but the way that I would approach this market after a very decent, after a very good or a decent movement, I'm just trying to wait for the price to show me bullish potential, bullish momentum. And that momentum is going to be as it starts breaking the highs out. You know, there is no other way that this can form. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. See ya.